Tanya spent 23 hours on this one bike alone.
I like unicorns and horses. My favorite thing to do is play in my playroom at home. My favorite food is mac and cheese and when I grow up, I want to make dinner. My favorite candy is, I like to eat all the candy.
Stop. And some scissors.
There's scissors in there too?
Yeah.
Off to the kiddos' graduation today.
Off like a bra.
Yeah, she says that all the time. Tanya, are you ready?
Ready as I'll ever be.
Remi's off to kindergarten after this. Kyler's going to a different preschool. All right guys, we've got the balloons. We're gonna go get the firehouse subs and then we're gonna have a picnic after graduation. Auntie Crystal's way in the back. We can't roll the windows down because they were just blowing balloons all in our face. All right guys, it's my first time at Firehouse Sub. We're at the preschool and Tanya's finishing up the decorations on their bike. Here's Remi's bike, got it all decorated. Tanya spent 23 hours on this one bike alone. I'm just joking.
Wait, we did the spokes, and that probably took us, what, maybe an hour?
Yeah, the spokes are done up.
How pretty.
So they're gonna do a graduation parade, bike parade. So they're gonna ride. All right guys, graduation is here.
Yeah, she was.
But while we're doing that,
It's been a long year.
I'm so excited to present to you today's graduating class. Some of these kids will be going to kindergarten next year, and some will have 1 or 2 more years of preschool, but they are all graduating from Tualatin Valley Preschool this year. These kids have worked hard this year. They have played hard, they have made good friends, and they have just been great. The best class. They have each brought a unique quality that is wonderful to our class, and I'm so blessed to be their teacher this year. Next year, I know that they will do amazing things. They will grow up to be amazing people because they're already amazing people. Each and every one of these students has a special place in my heart, and I'm so excited for them today. They've worked so hard. So, with that said, preschoolers, let's stand up and we will present our songs. I had a little turtle, his name was Tiny T. I put him in the bathtub to see if he could swim. He drank up all the water, he ate up all the soap, and now he's homesick in bed with bubbles in his throat. Bubble, 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 bubble. And this song that they have been working on all year is in Spanish, so I'll let Mr. Vicky take over.
This one's called Cinco Ratoncitos. You guys ready? Can you put your cinco's up? Ready? And make it loud. You ready?
Cinco ratoncitos duermen feliz, mueven las orejas, mueven la nariz.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, corren al rincón, porque viene el gato a comer ratón.
My favorite colors are teal, turquoise, and blue.
Yeah, that's definitely Remy.
My favorite books are unicorn and horse books. My favorite candy is all the candies, especially Christmas candy, some mints you can chew, and veggies. At school, I like to go on the playground and play on the bikes and go down the long hallway. When I grow up, I want to go horseback riding, and I love to ride horses and unicorns. I am 5 years old. Come on down, Remi Schwartz.
Woo!
I like playing in the playroom. My favorite food is chicken. My favorite color is yellow. At school, I like to play with the marbles. My favorite thing to do is play at school. My favorite book is Blaze. When I grow up, I want to make dinner. My favorite candy is, I like to eat all the candy. I love going to the zoo. I am 3 years old. Come on down, Kyler.
Woo!
I got it.
Kids just pass us up. Hey, dude. Good job. Good job, Remi.
Good job, baby.
What'd you get? Some cool stuff? Got some markers and some chapstick.
Remi, wait, I want to take a picture.
Erasers?
And that's glue.
Yeah, can I take a picture with you? Oh, it's glue.
Stop. And some scissors.
There's scissors in there too?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you graduated, so you can use them now, huh?
You did so good. And
Kyler, turn around, look at me and smile.
love you, love you.
Kyler.
All right, Remi's off.
Remi, can you make it over here?
All right, guys, picnic time. I don't know where Bells is at, but it's me and John.
Picnic.
Picnic. Just pick one. Okay.